The final steps to owning your new home. You're almost there. Just a few final steps, and soon the keys to your new Colorado home will be in your hands. So step 1, the final walkthrough. Before the official close, we'll do a final walkthrough. This typically happens just before escrow closes, ideally when the seller has already moved out. This is your last chance to ensure that everything in the home is exactly as expected. With your agent by your side, you'll confirm that agreed upon repairs have been completed and that fixtures and appliances are all in place. You might be surprised by what sellers sometimes think is theirs to take. This walkthrough is also a great time to plan out your move. You can measure for furniture placement, take notes on any child or pet proofing needs, and start visualizing your new space. It's all about making your move smoother and getting a head start on settling in. If something isn't right during the walkthrough, maybe a repair wasn't completed or the home's condition has changed, don't worry. Your agent will guide you on the best next steps, which might involve temporarily delaying closing until everything is resolved. It's rare, but it can happen. In most cases, sellers are just as eager to finalize the sale as you are to move in. These situations are often resolved quickly. Step 2, the closing day, finalizing your investment. On closing day, you'll meet with the title agent to sign the necessary documents, including your loan papers. This is also when you'll complete your down payment and cover any remaining closing costs. Many buyers in Colorado choose to wire these funds in advance to streamline the process. Once everything is signed and your lender transfers the loan funds, the escrow officer will distribute the funds as agreed. They'll then record the property in your name with the county, making your ownership official. Depending on the arrangements, you'll get keys either at the closing or shortly afterwards. And just like that, you're a homeowner. So why having a trusted agent matters. As you can see, the journey from offer to keys involves many steps, each with important details that can make or break the process. Trying to navigate this on your own can be daunting and costly. Many buyers who go it alone or work with less experienced agents often end up facing expensive pitfalls, missed opportunities, or even legal headaches. With over 20 years experience in Denver Metro and Front Range real estate, we've helped hundreds of buyers navigate this complex process. My goal is to protect your investment, maximize your buying power, and make the journey as smooth as possible. Trying to save by handling things on your own or with a cut rate agent can cost far more in the long run. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments most people ever make, and it deserves the expertise of a dedicated professional. From competitive offers to navigating local market trends, my team and I are here to ensure you get the home you want at a great price with terrific terms and as little stress as possible. Ready to start your home buying journey? Give us a call and let's find the Colorado home you love. With us on your side, this roller coaster will be an exciting, memorable ride, and you'll look back on it with a smile.